Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Janice and I'm here today because I am going to show you how to make a pineapple, orange, and apple smoothie. It's one of my favorite drinks, and so let's get this video going. For this recipe, you will need one whole pineapple already cleaned up and diced. You will also need one apple washed, peeled, and diced. You can use any kind of apples of your choice. You can use Granny Smith, Red Delicious apples, or those yellow apples. So any apple is really good for this recipe. You will also need 3 oranges. And once you have your orange peeled, you just cut them into small pieces or slices, and then you will add 1 cup of water into your blender. So let's get this recipe going. My first ingredient that I am going to put into my blender are the pineapple chunks. And it's always best to put the softer stuff on the bottom and the harder stuff on top, like the apples, because they mix a lot better when they're on top rather than on the bottom. So I always put my soft ingredients first and then the apples on top. Okay, so now I am going to add the oranges. Then I'm going to add the apples. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Once all the ingredients are into my blender, then I'm going to blend them all together. And this is a great smoothie to have in the morning if you like for breakfast, so you can have it for a snack or at any time during the day. It has a lot of vitamins and it's really healthy for you. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to click on that notification button so that way you'll be notified every single time that I post a video. See you guys very soon. Enjoy your drink.